Assalamualaikum. Hey, I am enthusiast. Today I have a small project to share. Without further ado, let's get started. Have you noticed that mouse cursor and ice ball move into the same directions? And this project is all about this effect. If you understand how this project works, you will able to create similar or different type of effect for your website. I want to give an overview that how this code work. So let's open VS Code Studio. So here is VS Code Studio. First, you need to find mouse X and Y value. Then you need to find X and Y radians value. And next, you need to convert radians to degree. Use this formula. Okay. And just give X and Y radians value into this formula. It will give you the degree value. And finally use this here. So that is all about the video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you need source code, please check video comment section. You will get that. And goodbye.